First of all, consider the parallelogram ABCD. That's in parallelogram ABCD. Angle D plus angle C equal 180 degree. Means adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. On 20 degree plus angle C as 180. Then angle C as 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. Here y also equals 120 degree as the opposite angles of parallelograms are equal. Now next consider the parallelogram EFGH. In parallelogram EFGH, angle GH equals angle GF equals 70 degree. Opposite angles of parallelograms are equal. Thus in triangle CMH, we got this angle as 70 degree. This one as 60 degree. Now applying angle sum property in triangle CMH. X plus 60 plus 70 as 180. X as 180 minus 130, that equals 50 degree. Thus we got the value of x plus y as 120 plus 50, that equals 170 degree. Now in the case of a regular polygon, we know that measure of each interior angle equals sum of interior angles by number of sides. Now let n be the number of sides, then n minus 2 times 180 by n as 120 degree. Now n minus 2 times 180 is 120 n. Expanding bracket 180 n minus 360 as 120 n. Now rearranging 60 n as 360 n equals 360 by 60, that is 6. Now question number 45 is also from Quadrilaterals. Adil is playing in a playground which is in the form of parallelogram. He observes that the diagonals of the playground are 80 meter and 60 meter. Then try to find out the correct option that can be the shape of that playground. For a rectangle and square, diagonals are of equal length. Therefore, options A and D can be discarded. A parallelogram is not a kite. Therefore, option C is also incorrect. Therefore, the correct option is B. Now for this one, 3 statements are given and we have to find the correct statement. Here option A is the length of both diagonals of a rectangle are equal, which is a correct statement. Option B, square, rectangle and rhombus are all different types of parallelograms, which is also correct. Now for C, the diagonals of a square are perpendicular bisector of each other. That's also a correct statement. Therefore, option D is the correct option. Here 4 statements related to quadrilaterals are given and we have to find the true statement. For option A, the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal is not correct because we know that the diagonals of a parallelogram are not equal. Statement B is also incorrect as we know that the diagonals of a rectangle are not perpendicular to each other. Now C is a true statement as the diagonals of square and kite also intersect at right angles. Now this statement D is also incorrect as a concave quadrilateral is neither a trapezium nor a parallelogram nor a kite.